Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and finding your target. This gets you a visual anchor. Type an address or place, or pan and zoom until the pin is near the spot you want. Once you've centered the map, switch to satellite to verify landmarks, because imagery helps accuracy. Make sure the pin is on the right roof, driveway, or intersection. This first step sets the location context so subsequent coordinate extraction is precise and reliable. Now you extract the numbers. Right-click on desktop or long press on mobile at the exact point and select the spot. The coordinate pair appears in the pop-up or search field as latitude, longitude. This is the precise decimal degrees you can copy. Once shown, tap or click the coordinates to copy them to clipboard, or use Share to send a link with embedded coordinates. Doing this ensures you capture the exact numeric location for navigation or data entry. Finish by verifying and applying the coordinates. Paste them back into Google Maps or a GPS device to confirm the pin lands precisely where you expect. If a system requires degrees, minutes, seconds, convert the decimal format. Most mapping tools do this automatically, but check to avoid errors. If the pin is off, zoom closer, select a different pixel-accurate point, and recopy. Troubleshooting tip: if coordinates look wrong, clear cache or reload map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.